As I run down this aisle, I'm running down the food aisle on both sides. Take the time to remind you about the flat rate food box that we do. And for those of you who are new or you're watching my video for the first time, just remember that you can order anything on Walmart online. You can pick anything that you like. Place your order. Follow the instructions online on our website. Click on the flat rate food box. We'll go in. We'll pick everything up at Walmart for you. That's right. We'll put it in a box, not just any box. That box will be a flat rate box. And we'll ship it to Jamaica. We'll clear customs. And again, this is for food items only. We will clear customs. We will deliver it directly to your doorstep or to the doorstep of mama. Let's say you're a Jamaican living in England, Norway, France. Jump online on walmart.com. Use your address that we gave you for Walmart pickup location. Set this store, I'm in the pickup store, as the pickup location. Put the appropriate pickup person name. Shop, buy all your grocery. Complete a shipping alert. We come to Walmart, we pick it up. Yeah, we box it up. We drop it off at mama doorstep. Cooking oil, rice, flour, sugar, cornflakes, all the things that mama love. And we do it for a flat rate. You don't have to worry about the government charging you a duty and kill you. You don't have to worry about the box being too heavy and the weight us charging you for shipping and delivery. It's a flat rate. How do you know which one of the boxes on our website you're going to use? You don't. You have control over how much grocery you buy. We pack them in the smallest box, and we pack tight in the smallest box that it can fit in.